After you first install SCW Viewstation, you'll be asked to create an admin password. This admin password is specific to this computer's installation of Viewstation. Note the minimum password requirements. Next, you'll be asked to answer some recovery questions. These answers will be used in case you ever forget the admin password. Once that's complete, you'll be asked to log in using the password you just created. For most users, SCW recommends hitting the Save Password and Auto Login checkboxes so the next time you open up Viewstation, it simply logs in automatically without prompting for a password. Viewstation will first search your local network for any SCW NVRs or cameras. You can add a device locally using this menu, or if you want to add via the cloud, click Close. We're now presented with the main control panel screen of Viewstation. This is like the home screen on your smartphone. We'll want to first add devices to Viewstation. To do that, click the Device Management button. If you're adding via local IP or set up on a private VPN, you can add the IP address by clicking the Add button in the first screen. When entering in the username and password, these are the credentials specific for that NVR. Most of our users now add and control their NVRs via the Star4Live Cloud Relay service. To connect your cloud account to Viewstation, click the cloud devices on the left and then click Login. Enter your Star4Live username or email, password, and SCW recommends clicking the Auto Login and Save Password option so you don't have to log into Star4Live each time you start Viewstation. If you want to adjust which devices are on Viewstation, click the device details at the top. From here, you can choose to either add devices or remove them from Viewstation by clicking the Cancel button. Once you see your NVRs is online, your setup is basically complete. If you have any issues or questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our US-based support team at getscw.com.